to my vlog. It's been a while. Welcome to Tabango Eco Park. I have Pam Pam here and Kuya Wilson. So we're gonna go up. Good luck to me because it's been a while since I have my walk. So medyo hinihingal tayo. Ay, Mansanitas. Mansanitas, mga kata. Climbing wall, but I don't know if it's still functional. Exercise pa more steps. Time check, it is almost noon, so it's a little bit hot, will be hot and sweaty, but look at you. We're all the way up there now. Can have an overnight stay here. This is the back. Get conference room here.
So they have water pumps up here?
They got water here, Kuya?
Yeah.
So that's it, guys, for Tabango Eco Park. Thanks for watching.